Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving the issue you're having with the Microsoft Store. Error code 0x87af0813. Try that again. Something went wrong. The error code 0x87af0813 in case you need it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in WS Reset, best match, you'll come back with WS Reset, go ahead and open that up, give it a moment here. And then once that's done, hopefully that has resolved the problem. Something else I recommend taking a look at, open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Into this command line window, go ahead and type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to the / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back up Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to go ahead and type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Once you have it exactly how you see it on my screen, hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here, and then you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Once again, hopefully your issue has been resolved. One final thing we can attempt here. Open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath options, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then underneath other, scroll down and select the Windows Store Apps troubleshooter and the run button. And I'd recommend following along with any recommendations it makes here. In our case, we don't have a Microsoft account linked to our Windows Store, so that's certainly a possibility as to why you're coming across this error message. So again, it'll tell you what the problem is, and you just go ahead and proceed with resolving that issue, and hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.